I kind of don't want to try this. Pro Lash. These are basically lash extensions. They're supposed to last for 10 days. I love my lash serum and I actually love the length and the fullness of my lashes, but I'm so curious about this. So we're gonna do a 10-day experiment. The adhesive, you apply like mascara. The lashes, you're supposed to apply them underneath your lashes. This could be a disaster. Lash remover. I feel like I should curl my lashes. We're going to curl our lashes. We will see. Are these going to last for 10 days? Lash adhesive. I wonder how much work time we have. It says just apply it like mascara. But I feel like this would be a great alternative when you go on vacation. Now I have very sensitive eyes, so this could be an actual disaster. Oh, it's tinted. It does feel a little bit like lash glue. Am I destroying my lashes right now? What do you think? I wonder how much work time we have. I'm nervous. This is making me nervous. I haven't applied false lashes in forever. Okay, so underneath, I'm shaking. Underneath, and then crimp it. Wonder how long you're supposed to hold. Oh, is this actually easy? Okay, guys. Like, should you apply more? Okay, why is this so easy? Oh God. I don't know, I feel like I'm messing up my natural lashes. How much time do we have? Oh God. Okay, we gotta switch hands. Oh God, I'm nervous. Calm down. I don't know if you guys can see this one, but I gotta do it anyway. All right. Ow. Ow. Okay, poked my eye. Which is not good. Eyes on fire. Okay, something's legit poking my eye. That's okay. Everything's fine. This beauty's pain. Oh God. Okay. Okay, my eye hurts. Okay, we didn't crimp it though. Oh God. Something is hurting my eye. I know no one likes Tyra Banks right now, but she did teach us how to suck her tears up. You just, oh my God. You're supposed to be able to wash your face and everything too. That was on me, honestly. I want to take that one off. Oh God, it's the way I applied it. Okay, give me a second. Lord. Okay. I think I kind of like the outer corner anyway, just like that. I really poked the crap out of my eye. She's red. To the other eye, okay. Definitely would have been difficult if my eyelashes weren't curled. Get them properly underneath. I don't know how comfortable this is gonna be. Sleeping. Oh, dang, y'all. I don't know if you guys remember me giving myself a lash perm, a lash lift. Remember when that was hot? Yeah. Ooh, wait, that's remover. Here's the adhesive. We got it. What is poking my eye? Lash adhesive. Okay, like mascara. It's gonna come off my eyelids though. And like also, do I continue to apply my lash serum? Like, I feel like, am I ruining my natural lashes? Oof. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh God, and we crimp. Okay. Whoa! Am I the only one that gets intimidated by this stuff? Like, I've seen so many ads on Instagram that are just like bloop, 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 and then it's like, they're done. Oh, and crimp it. Okay. This eye looks much different than this eye. I think I can only fit 3 on my little eyes. So we're only gonna do 3, you get 4 clusters though. Okay, I thought this eye was gonna be harder. This eye was much easier. Okay, so what the heck is up with that? Okay. This eye's calmed down, so we're gonna put a little more adhesive. Where's the adhesive? Okay, let's focus. I like this eye much better. Lily Lashes, Miami Lights were my thing. I had a subscription. Oh my God. Let's go. This, and we're not gonna poke our eyes. It's really about the angle. Okay, we did it. We did it. Okay, no one breathe. I'm gonna tell you this right now. The plastic that the lashes are attached to is sharp, and you just gotta make sure you get your angle, girl. Oh my heavens. It's pretty. I feel pretty. All right. Yeah. Okay. Day 1. Let's see how this goes throughout the day. In 10 days from now, we'll know if this is gonna last. That's wild though. You can't really see the lashes themselves. Just be careful with that plastic. 10 days, let's go. It is day 2 of the DIY extensions. And I will say this, I should have got on here when I first woke up. They were like straight up and I was like, oh God, I bent them or something. If you're a side sleeper, just be aware that they will, you know, look a little startling, but they've relaxed over the day. I wish I had clean spoolies. If you have clean spoolies, I think that would be really, really useful to keep them fluffy. I need to get some, but I just worked out. I've washed my face, cried a little bit, and they're still attached. Look, I didn't even get all the eyeshadow off though. I was a little nervous about really kind of rubbing my eyes because I didn't want to rub them off, but I really don't think they're going anywhere. So this is day 2 after a sweaty workout, sleep, washing my face. I'm about to shower. I think that I kind of placed this one a little wonky. It's nice not worrying about like, oh, do I need to wear mascara today? I think these would be great for a vacation. Let's see though. This is just day 2, okay? I'll check in tomorrow and see where we're actually at. But yeah, not too shabby. Get yourself some clean spoolies though. Definitely recommend. It's day 3. I'm starting to see the little plastic lines. Can you see them if I'm just like normally talking? I mean, I'll figure that out when I edit this, but they're kind of hanging on strong and I'm not mad at the way they look, honestly. I didn't like them yesterday, but for some reason today I like them better. What's that about? I am worried about my natural lashes. They seem to be hanging on. Do you see the plastic bits? That's the only thing. But again, that could be solved with over time knowing how to apply them and applying them better. I feel like this is pretty decent. If I were on vacation, I mean, 10 days is a long time. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna keep them on for 10 days. I'm gonna try, but I mean, vacations last usually like what, 3 to 5 days. So this is day 3. If you're on vacation and you're wearing these, like, you're kind of killing the game, honestly. We'll see what they look like tomorrow. The lash extensions didn't last 10 days. It's still day 3. I cried them off. So if you're on vacation and you get sad or something bad happens, I don't know what to tell you. They're not gonna last. I have put them through an extreme wear test. So if you're crying every day, morning, noon, and night, these are gonna last you 3 days. We're gonna give this one more shot, okay? This time though, I'm gonna use the little outer wispy ones and see how that goes. I first curled my eyelashes. I'm doing this without any makeup on, obviously, because if my eyes water and then I cry my makeup up, then that's a whole issue. Let's try this. I'm running late. I'm about to meet a friend. Can you see me in the Yeah. All right, with this one, you get mini tweezers, which I might actually enjoy these better. And I am going for the classic Luxe Wispies because my eyelashes are already long. And I'm only gonna do this on the outer portion. It's like, what do you do when you want to wear mascara in all the other places? And I also feel like at this point, I'm not feeling like I'm going to be crying a lot. Swear to God if I jinx myself. So these might actually last a bit longer than the other attempts. Okay, I already like the shorter tweezers better. I feel like I have more control. You get adhesive on your bottom lashes, guys. Be careful with that. These are not much longer than my already natural. Oh yeah, they are. Okay, never mind. I think this will be better. I'm sweating. Am I the only one that gets nervous about this stuff? Oh my God. Oh, and of course, I stabbed myself. And I'll tell you this much. If you get the adhesive in your eye, it does burn. I have sensitive eyes, so maybe it might not burn your eye. Okay, let's do the left side. No biggie. Also, this being, what, the 3rd time I've attempted to wear these, I have realized you can take your time. You don't have to panic apply because you have work time. Okay, I'm going to scream. Please stay. Oh my God. The other one did so well. It's because I have adhesive on the freaking tweezer. I feel like I'm just wrecking my natural lashes. Okay. Well, I'm going to hurry up and diffuse my hair. But this is what we got so far. Not too bad. It's pretty natural looking. My eyes hurt. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'll see you in a minute. Makeup is on. Here are the lashes. Other than giving me a little volume, I feel like I like my natural lashes more than I like these in particular. I don't know, what do you think? Also, I think the adhesive actually hurts my eyes. Let's add a little mascara to that corner. Oh, I forgot my mic. We'll see how these last in the rain. Hopefully I won't cry tonight. Surely I won't. I got my nails done. See how they last tonight. I'm gonna add a little mascara right here. All right, well that gave me a little something. I think my natural lash is better. Update. I guess I haven't spoken out loud today. I'm I'm done. Okay, they're not falling off. I didn't cry. I did wash my face. I don't like the lash extensions. This is not for me. My eyes are swollen, uncomfortable, and now I gotta put the lash remover on. I tried several times, obviously. I'm editing the footage now. I'm like, oh, well, they look good. Like, I'm looking at it. My eyes are so irritated. I'm sorry we're doing this up close. It's not attractive on me. I honestly just recommend being consistent with a lash serum, growing out your own eyelashes, because this is honestly for the birds. If you have sensitive eyes, I'm not leaving these on. I didn't really like the way they looked last night. I definitely don't like the way they feel. I can feel them. I don't want to dog it because I know people really like lash extensions, but like how healthy can this be for your eyes? It's like not removing makeup or something. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't ever like fully, let me know if you have tried DIY lash extensions. I have, don't like them. And I honestly have to say, I don't recommend if you have sensitive eyes. I'll link it below if it's for you. You know, if you want to try them out. I think it's a cool idea. I like the thought of it, maybe for vacation, but I feel like my eyes would just bring me back off of vacation because I'd be miserable with these on. Hope this was helpful. Do not recommend lash serum. My eyelashes are longer than these anyway. Yeah, be consistent with a lash serum. Grow your own eyelashes. There you go. I know, I mean, look, you can see, I just feel like it's gross looking. Okay, I'm gonna stop dogging it. I just don't like it. For me personally. Let me know if you do like it. We tried and it is denied.
All right.